Oh, my chest. Oh, shit. Yeah, hello. Professor White? Yes, Steve. Oh, I'm not good. Oh, my chest is killing. Yeah, sorry. I just can't stop coughing here. Oh, I've never had a headache this bad. My temperature, don't get me started. Oh, I'll tell you, Professor White, I think it's those tomatoes. Yeah, Professor White again. Have you finished that thing you've been working on? Wow. Time to go back. Boyden Cinemas, 7th for the 3rd, 1990. 7:30 p.m. You just stay there. Steve, there's something we have to do. Who the hell are you? I'm you from the future. I'm from the year 2026. Check your left pocket for your lottery ticket. I saw you walking through the cinema chairs. When you got up, your lottery ticket was on the seat, so it must have slipped out of your pocket as you were getting up. A couple meters behind, a man named John walked up, put it in his pocket and took off. We have to get that ticket back. Why didn't you get it back? It has to be you. Okay. Apart from us not winning the lotto, is there another problem? Tomorrow when the lottery is drawn, your $10 million lottery ticket is a winner. So when John wins $10 million, he buys lands all over Australia and grows tomatoes and supplies them nationwide to restaurants, cafes, all over places, fruit markets. But the problem is, he lets Toxico, the company that dumps their toxic waste, dump their rubbish there. He rents it to them, and all of the tomatoes get infected and people are either getting really sick or dying. Okay, what do we do now? First, let's go up to the newsagent and buy a lottery ticket and fill in with some random numbers, and then we'll take it to John's house and switch it with his winning lottery ticket. Hello, man. I work for a business called Bug Keepers. We catch bugs. I have actually a new device here invented by our company. We catches bugs. Can we come in and give you a free trial? Okay. Thank you. Come on, Steve. Hello, man. Yeah, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, everything's fine. It's all taken care of. Have a nice day. Sorry for the disturbance.
No worries, thank you.
Okay, take care.
And tonight's winning lottery numbers are 2, 4, 15, 17, 23, and 26.
Yay! Oh, Steve, we won. Oh, look at that. Now, always straight away, what you do, go to the lottery office, collect your money, don't forget to take your ticket, and then put it straight in the bank. And always be careful of what you got with you. Don't lose anything, or make sure something doesn't get stolen, because last thing we want is something to happen for us to have bad effects in the future. It's time for me to go back. So I'll see you later. Much later. Professor White's lab, 2:30 p.m. 2nd of the 3rd, 2026. I'm back. 2026. My cough's gone. Excellent.